Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to set who can mention you on the Instagram application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. Go to the profile section at the lower right corner of the screen and click to the three lines at the upper right corner of the page. Tap to the settings and the privacy section, and in the how others can interact with you section you can find the second option, the text and mentions, and in the who can mention you section you can select the allow mentions from everyone, the allow mentions from people you follow, or the don't allow mentions option, and just select one and click to the next circle icon and done. So that's pretty much it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.